I don't want to beat a dead horse here, but are you...
I don't want to beat a dead horse.
Let's not beat a dead horse.
Like beating a dead horse out there.
Oh, whatever. Let's not beat it.
We aren't hysterical or beating a dead horse.
I'll be beating a dead horse.
Well, not to beat a dead horse, fellas, but...
Enjoy beating a dead horse, Tubbs?
You're beating a dead horse.
Also, I'm not trying to beat a dead horse or anything.
Gotta beat that dead horse.
I burn bridges.
I burn my bridges.
I burned my bridges.
I burned all my bridges.
She can burn a bridge.
I think so. I'd hate to burn that bridge.
So you're gonna burn that bridge?
We both burn that bridge.
We'll burn that bridge when we get to it.
I think I burned that bridge with jam.
Oh, we burned that bridge.
Yeah, burn every bridge.
Burned all my bridges.
And kill two birds with one stone.
Clever Perry. Killed two birds with one stone.
Kills two birds with one stone.
Killed two birds with one stone.
I could kill two birds with one stone. I could do...
People do it all the time.
I figured I killed two birds with one stone.
Yeah, kill two birds with one stone.
Kill two birds with one stone. I got killing two birds with one stone.
Guess I'll kill two birds with one stone. So, kill two birds with one stone.
I'll kill two birds with one stone.
Thought I'd kill two birds with one stone.
You kill two birds with one stone.
Birds with one stone, my friend.
Yeah, because then that's like two birds with one stone.
And now maybe we can kill two birds with one stone.
So far, so good.
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 Far, so good.
So 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 far, so good. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Death.
Yes, everyone's hitting the sack.
Hit the sack, Jack!
Hit the sack.
I'm gonna hit the sack.
I'm gonna hit the sack.
I am ready to hit the sack.
Knock it off and hit the sack!
Let's hit the sack.
Now, come on. Hit the sack.
Oh, well. I guess I'll hit the sack. Yeah.
Okay, let's hit this.
We're gonna hit the sack.
We'll risk it. Hit the sack.
What do you say we hit the sack?
Let's hit the sack.
But my father taught me that fortune favors the bold.
Fortune favors the bold.
Fortune favors the bold, Claire.
Fortune favors the bold.
Hold your horses!
Hold your horses, hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, Dan.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
See, kick the bucket, then retrieve the bucket.
Before you, kick the...
Hell, just imagine what happens when you kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
How are you?
Right as rain.
It would be right as rain.
You'll feel right as rain.
Right as rain. Great. Everything is right as...
Right as rain, buddy.
Right as rain, Mikey, my boy.